Here we are in Miami. What's your name?
Marquita.
And tell us about this design.
This is called
Dutch Flemish.
Dutch.
I gave her a whole bunch of mixed flowers and told her to design something with it, that new trendy, like botanical rolling design. And this is what she did. It's beautiful. What do you think of it? How hard was it to do?
not really hard at all.
No.
No.
And you're from where?
The Bahamas.
She's going to start her business in Bahamas. This is my student who's gone from 0 to 60 since Monday. How hard was it to do?
I had a very good teacher, and it was relatively easy.
What was name a couple of things you learned this week that you were surprised by?
The stems aren't supposed to touch the bottom of the vase.
Yeah, that would be like one of the top. Yes, definitely. And probably followed by clogging the drain.
Yes, following with the drain was a new one.
Your name and rank?
My name is Trisha. My company will be called Artisan Design and Floral Design.
In what city?
Coral Springs.
Coral
Florida.
Springs. Hers is really pretty. Looks like an old master's painting, I called it. How hard was that to do?
Not very hard with your instructions.
And remember, I gave them just random flowers. I call it a cooler cleaner. It was flowers left over from the last couple of days and told them to throw it together and make something out. Even that weird bird of paradise sticking out the top. Had you known about Crowning Glory before?
No,
How are your flowers that you did 3 days ago?
they're still very healthy.
They're still perfect. They'll last you. If you follow my instructions, they'll last you 2 to 3 weeks or
Yes,
longer.
I did spray last night with some more crowning.
Oh, you did?
Yes, I did.
Excellent. So, flowerschool101.com here in Miami today. Congratulations, you've done great work all week.
Thank you.
Stunning. Keep blooming.